Creating compelling YouTube thumbnails is crucial for capturing attention and driving clicks. Focus on vibrant colors, clear text, and engaging imagery to stand out. Ensure your thumbnail accurately represents your content to build trust and encourage viewers to click. Mastering these basics can significantly enhance your channel's growth and visibility. Thumbnails are your video's first impression, acting as a billboard amidst endless content. Custom thumbnails can boost clicks by 30 to 50% over auto-generated ones. YouTube's algorithm favors videos with higher click-through rates, making effective thumbnails crucial for visibility and channel growth. Viewers decide in under 3 seconds whether to engage with your video. A compelling thumbnail is crucial for capturing attention and encouraging viewers to watch beyond 30 seconds. This retention signals quality to YouTube's algorithm, enhancing video ranking and long-term visibility. Ensure your YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels for clarity across devices. Stick to a 16:9 aspect ratio for seamless integration with YouTube's player. Keep file size under 2 million bytes using JPG, PNG, or GIF formats. Bright, high-contrast colors enhance visibility on all screens. Feature a human face with clear emotional expressions to create instant connection and curiosity. Limit text to 3 words using large, easy-to-read fonts for mobile legibility. Use vibrant colors like reds, yellows, and oranges to stand out against YouTube's white interface. Keep the design simple with 2 to 3 main elements to maintain visual clarity. Utilize the ADA model in thumbnail design to convert browsers into viewers. Capture attention with bold visuals and striking colors. Ignite interest through intriguing images or questions. Evoke desire by showcasing value or emotional resonance. Finally, drive action by promising a specific benefit or transformation from watching the content. Begin by selecting a YouTube thumbnail template or a 1280 by 720 canvas. Insert a high-quality background image to set the tone. Add bold text with fonts like Anton or Montserrat at 72 point. Enhance with background removal and shadow effects. Export as JPG or PNG under 2 megabytes for YouTube Studio. The Adobe Express workspace offers user-friendly tools like drag-and-drop templates and text customization. Utilize the Remove Background feature to isolate subjects, enhancing your thumbnail's professionalism. Real-time preview ensures your design is flawless before exporting. These features make it easy for beginners to create standout thumbnails efficiently. Create 3 thumbnail versions per video for A/B testing. Test text placement, color schemes, facial expressions, and composition styles. Run tests for at least 48 hours for significant data. Use Thumbnail Test for split testing, vidIQ for click-through rate analysis, and TubeBuddy for tracking effectiveness. Update older thumbnails to boost views and engagement. Custom thumbnails significantly outperform auto-generated ones, achieving 3 times better click-through rates. Text and image combinations consistently lead, surpassing single-element designs. This highlights the importance of strategic thumbnail creation to enhance viewer engagement and channel performance. Avoid overcrowding thumbnails with excessive elements or text, as it confuses viewers and reduces clicks. Use high-resolution images to maintain professionalism. Misleading clickbait damages trust and algorithm performance. Ensure thumbnails are optimized for mobile, as over 70% of YouTube views occur on these devices, requiring clarity and readability on small screens. Utilize consistent color schemes with 2 to 3 brand colors for instant recognition. Choose 1 to 2 signature fonts to enhance brand identity. Place your logo subtly in the same corner of each thumbnail. Develop recurring design patterns for series content, ensuring playlists and related videos are easily identifiable. Open YouTube Studio, click Content to access your video library. Select the video, hover over the thumbnail, and click the upload icon. Choose your custom image or an auto-generated option. Click Save and preview on all platforms. Ensure your account is verified at youtube.com/verify to upload custom thumbnails. Invest 10 to 20 minutes per thumbnail for optimal results. This time investment enhances video success. Develop a template to reduce creation time while maintaining quality. Use free tools like Adobe Express, Canva, and Pixlr for ease and professional results. Consider paid options like Photoshop and Snappa for advanced customization and speed. Plan your thumbnail during pre-production to sharpen video focus and capture the perfect shot. Use psychological principles and design fundamentals to maximize clicks. Analyze performance data, learn from results, and refine your approach. Small improvements can lead to significant channel growth. Start creating thumbnails that make viewers stop scrolling and click eagerly.